So now that I have everything cleaned inside and out, it seemed like whoever had this car had like 5 cats living in there. It was really nasty. It took about 3 hours to get a vacuum just the inside with the trunk. I'm gonna put this thing back in. I'm gonna put the fender on. Like, let's get to it. So I'm not sure if the camera's catching you as much as I am in person, but this new door is more off-white than the existing door, and you can tell the same on the fender. The fender looks more white than the door. I wasn't going to paint any of this, but this is going to bother me. I have this little dent here on the door, and the fender's a little damaged, which could have been fixed with the paintless dent remover. But since this is such an off color, I'm gonna have to paint both and blend it with the back door.